Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to your Shopify store so you can track your visitors and get better insights into your traffic. First, go to googleanalytics.google.com and create a free Google Analytics account. If you don't have one yet, once you set up your account, create a new property for your website and grab your measurement ID if you're using Google Analytics 4. Next, head to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll down until you see the Google Analytics section. Paste your measurement ID or tracking code into the box provided. If you see an option for universal analytics, note that Google is phasing it out, so it's best to use your GA4 ID. After adding your code, don't forget to check the box that says Use Enhanced E-commerce if you want more detailed sales and shopping behavior data. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the page to make sure it's working. Visit your website and check your Google Analytics dashboard for real-time visitors. That's it. Now your Shopify store is connected to Google Analytics, and you will start seeing valuable data to help you understand your customers and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify guides.